Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be doing a kind of space look. With that being said, let's get started. I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Glass Correct primer. A little goes a long way. Now I'm going to go in with the cream makeup water washable. This is Halloween makeup. I got this for like $2-3 at Walmart. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the face primer by LA Colors. Trust the process. Even if you don't know what you're doing, trust the process. Now I'm going to be using my makeup palettes. Midnight Splash from my Morphe 35A. Dip into that pretty purple or blue. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. Now I'm going to be using also the Planetary Divine by Cara Beauty. Hence, like the planet stuff. Let's go with Planetary Signal. Start spreading it around. Contact. Now I'm gonna go in with Stardust. Be using the Jeffree Star Morphe. And I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the Fast Lane. Again, you don't want it perfect. The hand dye and eyeliner ones. Going in with the pink. Blue with this Jessie Girl. Something like that. I'm adding some Morphe white eyeliner. I think it's like a cute little disaster. It's like a little alien space kind of creature. So guys, this is the final look. What do you guys think? So I did go out of my comfort zone. I wanted to do something that I haven't tried before. So this is like kind of like a space kind of alien kind of look, kind of like a Star Wars character. This is what I came up with. I know it might be something that's like not too good or too professional. Like I said, I'm not really good at drawing. I'm just starting out. So I'm putting it out there just in case there's other beginners out there like me that are struggling or want to learn how to do little makeup looks like this one. So here it is. And this is supposed to be like the cover for like when they're going to like the planets. So a little look like this for Halloween. Of course, I would do something a little bit more with my hair. So that's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time. Bye, guys.